Join me as I make one of my favorite meals of all time. Here is some organic carrots, mushroom, garlic, shallots, and green onion. Kerrygold butter for the cast iron skillet, as usual. I like to cook that until it's golden brown. Usually just saute it for the roast, the juices, get it really flavorful. By now you can tell the last thing I am shy with is butter when I'm cooking. I just love it. This is the grass-fed roast I'll be putting in the crock pot. I put Himalayan sea salt, organic black pepper, and brag. After everything is properly covered in seasoning, I take a half a bulb of garlic, cut it in half, and add it to the butter. That browns the outside of the meat before we put it in the crock pot. Yes, this is an important step to making it nice and juicy. After every part of it is seared, I put it in the crock pot for a good 12 hours with some alkaline water and the veggies. Here's the end result. Magnificent. I like to eat this for a couple days, and you can even make it into some sandwiches if you like.